In this video, we'll show you how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. This is especially helpful if you run a small business or want to share a specific website. The first thing you'll need is the link you want to add. If you don't know it off the top of your head, you can easily copy it. To do this, open a web browser, navigate to the website you want to share, and copy the URL from the address. Next, head back to Instagram and tap on Edit Profile just below your bio on your profile page. Scroll down to find the Links section and tap on Add Links. Then choose Add External Link, and you can paste the URL you copied earlier. You can also add a title for the link if you like. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, return to your profile, and as you can see, the link is now displayed in your bio. It's that simple. When someone clicks on it, they'll be directed straight to the website. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Have a great day!